Miranda Maverick vs Priscila Cachoeira for the UFC Flyweight Women match. Miranda Maverick vs Priscila Cachoeira UFC Flyweight Women match. Miranda Maverick from USA, he is the former Invicta fighter. Miranda Maverick debut in UFC in 2020 against Jojua with a great win. Now she is 4 wins and 3 losses in UFC. In his last 5 fights she was made 3 losses and 2 wins. Maverick has 67% finish rate all by submission in UFC. Miranda Maverick's best win streak was of 7 wins in a row. All she's defeats is by unanimous of split decision. Priscila Cachoeira from Brazil, he is the former XForcr fighter. Cachoeira debut in UFC against the legendary Valentina Shevchenko. In that moment came her first defeat for Cachoeira. Before the defeat she was 8 wins and 0 losses in his career. Now in UFC he is 4 wins and 4 losses. Cachoeira starts her career in UFC very bad with 3 losses streak. But in his last 5 fights she was made 4 wins and 1 losses. Cachoeira recovery very good her record. For this match I see 2 fighters that has the same record in her last 5 fights, but only the difference of the age can make difference. In my opinion this fight gonna win Miranda Maverick by unanimous decision.